Hello, project managers, team leaders, and innovators. Today, we're diving into something that can transform the way you manage projects. WBS Gantt Chart in Jira with TeamBoard ProScheduler. So, what exactly are WBS Gantt charts? WBS stands for work, breakdown, structure, and it's a way to break down a big project into smaller, more manageable parts. A Gantt chart, on the other hand, is a type of bar chart that shows a project's schedule. Put them together, and a WBS Gantt chart in Jira is a tool that lets you see both the big picture of your project and all the little details. What TeamBoard ProScheduler support on WBS Gantt chart in Jira? Jira Issues Table. You can see everything in one place and make changes without jumping around to different screens. Want to add something to the table? Just click Add Column at the top, pick what you want to show, and it'll be right there. You can even move columns around to get them just how you want. If you need a column to stay in place when you scroll, you can nail it to the left and it'll stay put. But this table is more than just a place to look at information. You can change things right there. Just click on what you want to change, type in what's new, and you're done. It's that easy. Dependency. The dependency feature lets you show these connections between tasks. 4 standard dependency types: finish to start, finish to finish, start to start, start to finish. Setting up dependencies in TeamBoard ProScheduler is simple. Just click on the tasks you want to connect, and a line will show the link between them. You can see right away what needs to be done first and what comes next. Milestones. Milestones are big moments that stand out in project. Setting a milestone in TeamBoard ProScheduler is as easy as clicking on a task and choosing Mark as Milestone. It then stands out with a diamond symbol so you can see it right away. Why are milestones so helpful? They give everyone something to aim for. They show progress. They let you celebrate successes along the way. And they keep everyone focused on what matters most. Baseline. It's a line that shows what the plan was at the beginning. Creating a baseline is as easy. Literally, just choose the Create Baseline button and a new baseline appears. You can even make more than one. Maybe you want to see how things looked at different stages of the project. With TeamBoard ProScheduler, you can. And you can even change the color of the baseline. It's your choice. Critical path. Think of the critical path as the main road on a trip. If there's a traffic jam on that road, you'll be late for sure. Finding the critical path in TeamBoard ProScheduler is easy. When you click on the critical path button, you can see the special line that shows the tasks that have to be done in a certain order and on time. Why is the critical path so important? It helps you see what really matters. It's like having a guide that says, pay attention to these things right here. That way, you don't get lost in all the details and forget what's most important. Auto-scheduling. Imagine you're trying to schedule a week's worth of tasks and something changes. Maybe one task takes longer than you thought. Just tell TeamBoard ProScheduler what's changed, and it does the rest. Other features in Gantt Chart. Jump search. Instead of scrolling through endless list of tasks or clicking through multiple layers, you can get the information you need in a fraction of the time. Filter. Need to focus on just one part of the project? Filter lets you do that. Restructure WBS Gantt with current hierarchy. This lets you reorganize the Gantt chart to match the current hierarchy of tasks. Set time ranges. Need to see everything that's happening this month? Or maybe just this week? You can do that. Export. You can take your Gantt chart and choose the columns you want to include in your spreadsheet. Ready to get started? TeamBoard ProScheduler has a free plan waiting just for you. Click the link in the description and take your project management to the next level. Have questions or need support? Drop a comment below or contact us Thank you for watching.